First thing we're going to start off with is 1 cup of almond flour. This is blanched almond flour. I've made this homemade. We're going to add a cup of arrowroot flour and 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour and a teaspoon of salt. We're just going to blend these up. How to work on the wet ingredients. We're going to use 1 1/4 cups of warm water and 2 teaspoons of honey. I'm using organic honey. I'm going to add yeast. Now the yeast is going to feast on the sugar in the honey, so you don't have to worry about any extra carbs going into the bread. Water's got to be about 105 degrees. Now we're going to add some rapid rise instant yeast. Now we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. And as you can see, the fermentation process has occurred here. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk and 2 tablespoons of golden flaxseed. We can stir this up a bit. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. You gotta make sure your hand is wet, because if not, the dough may stick to your hand. We're going to cover it with some saran wrap and let it rest, and it's going to rise for an hour. It's been about an hour, and now, as you can see, the dough has risen almost about 2-fold. Alright, we're going to transfer this bread onto a sheet pan. We're going to line the pan with parchment paper so nothing will stick. Look at this dough. Perfect. Egg wash is going to crisp up on the top to give it that crispy exterior. I have the oven set at 350 degrees, preheating, and we're going to pop this in the oven. It's looking good. Smelling great too. Look at that bread. Looks like real bread. Alright, now we're going to conduct a taste test. Let's see how this bread tastes. It feels like real bread. It smells like real bread too. Yeah, it looks really good. The consistency looks like real bread. Looks really good. I'm going to try with some butter. Look at that, it's like real bread. Well, there goes nothing. Wow. That is really good. Wow. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. Tastes like real bread. It's doughy. The exterior is crunchy. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all be safe and be well. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more keto recipes and everything dealing with the ketogenic lifestyle. Good night, everybody. Metro signing out.